Good afternoon. Let's do a model train update. It's been probably a month or so, and I've actually done a little bit of work on here. I think the last video, if you look at a model train update, this area where I built this mountain plateau area didn't exist. It was actually just normal ground level, and I had a freight sharing yard there. I was talking about how I wanted to probably build that up and run a tram. I just like trams, and so I did. So if we look around this way, we can actually take a look at the tram, which is just parked right over here. This is a Kato MyTram. It's actually not too expensive for a Kato product. I think it was like 50 bucks. I bought it on eBay, and that's shipped from Japan. So if you wanted to get started on, N scale and build an urban, city layout, you could do a tram layout. Pretty cool. Probably get started pretty cheap. Not every layout has to be big and ridiculous like this. What else have I been doing? I built this transition piece out of craft sticks right here to go from the Kato viaduct track to the just normal track that runs the tram. I just used craft sticks that I had, and I used some stain that I had to build that. Makes a nice little piece. Well, now the rest of the tram, after it leaves that, it runs along the Kato viaduct track. We'll show some video of that running here in just a bit at the end of the video. The other thing, I'm still trying to decide what to do here. I'm leaning an amusement park because I did print this Ferris wheel. I'm trying to find more files online to print for you, like N-scale amusement rides. Sometimes I think I'd like to actually maybe do a freight yard in this area somehow. I haven't figured that out. I think I could, I don't know, put a turnout off of there and run freight even up the hill here. I mean, it would look cool. I figure I'm going to worry about that last. I may try to get the whole city area kind of finished running, roads and all that type of stuff before I work on that one last area. That's what the layout's looking right now, so we'll just take a quick look. We'll fly by again, take a look at my Amtrak stuff, because I'm gonna guess some of the people that may have just stumbled upon here watch my regular Amtrak videos. I'm just an Amtrak fan. Real trains, model trains. And so now let's take a look at some trains running.